Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel at the rate Learn EDUM. Today we are going to study about special sense organs. The human sense organ consists of skin, ear, tongue, nose and eye. Here we are going to discuss about the eye and ear, which are important sense organs. So eye. Due to the eye, we have to see the beautiful worlds, and whatever the things we have to see in this world due to the presence of eye, and it is the part of our sense organs. So whatever the things which we are visualizing in the global worlds, that is due to our eye. So the eye. Eye is a specialized sense organ capable of receiving visual images which are carrying to the brains. जो भी हम देखते हैं वो हमारे आँख के थ्रू देखते हैं और वो विजुअल इमेज होता है हमारा ब्रेन के पास जाता है और ब्रेन इंटरप्रेट करता है उस इमेज को और रिस्पॉन्स देता है. द शेप ऑफ द आई इज स्फेरिकल्स एंड डायमीटर इज 2.5 सेंटीमीटर और 2 mm. नाउ द आई बॉल इज मेड अप ऑफ 2 parts, anterior parts and posterior parts. Anterior parts is a small 1/6 part of the eye, and eye is supplied to the optic nerves. But in case of posterior part, it is large part of eye, 5/6 part of the eyeball, located in orbital cavity or eye socket between the eye and bone. Adipose tissue is present. Eyeball is attached to orbital cavity by ocular muscles. Now this is the structure of eye, and our eye consists of iris, cornea, pupil, lens, vitreous, body, sclera and retina. Now iris. It is a part of eye, a dark muscular tissue and ring-like structure behind the cornea is known as iris. The color of iris indicates the color of eye, means the color of iris show the colors of eye. Now cornea, the front transparent part of the sclera is called cornea, and front part जो होता है sclera का उसको cornea कहते हैं. Pupil, a small opening in the iris is known as pupil. Its size control with the help of iris. A small opening जो होता है iris में वो को pupil कहते हैं और इसका साइज जो होता है कंट्रोल होता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ आइरिस. नाउ लेंस. बिहाइंड पीपल देयर इज ट्रांसपेरेंट स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड लेंस. विट्रस बॉडी, इट इज़ अ क्लियर जेल दैट फिल द स्पेस बिटवीन द लेंस एंड द रेटिना ऑफ द आई बॉल इन ह्यूमन्स. स्क्लेरा, वाइट पार्ट ऑफ द आई एंड द आउटर कवरिंग इज कॉल्ड स्क्लेरा एंड रेटिना. इट इज़ लाइट सेंसिटिव लेयर दैट कंसिस्ट ऑफ number of nerve cells. It convert image formed by lens into the electrical impulses. The electrical impulses transmitted to the brain through optic nerves. Now the human ear. Human ear is also a special sense organs in our body, and it has function that it helps in the listening or hearings. So the ear is a sensitive organ in the human body. It mainly concerned with the detecting, transmitting and transducing sounds. This is the structure of ear. Ear consists of pinna, outer ear, middle ear, inner ear, auditory canal, eardrum, hammer, anvil, stirrup, semicircular canals, cochlea and auditory nerves. Now the auricle is also known as pinna. It can collect sound waves and transmit them to the middle ears. External auditory meatus. The meatus or the canal is the line with stratified epithelium and wax glands. Tympanic membrane. This membrane separates the middle ear and external ear. This part receives and amplifies the sound waves. Now the middle ear. It transmits sound waves from external environment to inner ears. Eardrum is also known as tympanic membrane. It protects your middle ear from dirt, bacteria and debris. Inner ear is also known as labyrinth. It is responsible for hearing and balance. Stirrup, also known as stapes because stapes is the smallest bone in our body. It allows the sound to transmit to the inner ear through the oval window. Now the hammer. Hammer, also known as malleus, is a small bone that transmits sound vibration from eardrum to inner ear. Cochlea is a spiral-shaped cavity in the inner ear. Now the auditory nerves, also known as cochlea, carries electrical signal from the inner ear to brain and enables hearing.